what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic if you are new. If you're not, hello again. I am literally a hot mess express today. So it is Wednesday. It is 12:58 p.m. and I have a nail appointment at 1 p.m. I literally just got here. I have not ate a thing. I am starving. Well, I had breakfast this morning, but I went to the gym and I timed it so when I was done the gym, I had like 45 minutes to go home, just do a body shower, walk Kobe, have a nice lunch, and then come to my nail appointment, which is only like 2 minutes from my house. But some shit happened with work and I had to deal with a bunch of things and I just lost track of time and it was just been chaos. So I'm gonna quickly chow down this protein bar. So this is from Muscle Nation. It's their custard plant protein bar and I'm eating it in the flavor banana toffee. That is my favorite flavor. It is so good. Now, as you can see by the title of today's video, we're doing a prep and pack with me because I'm going on vacation on Friday, which is in 2 days. I am heading to Vegas with my husband, which I'm so excited for. I've actually talked about it in a few past vlogs, but we're going to celebrate our first wedding anniversary, which is crazy. I can't believe it's almost been a year that we've been married already. I've never been to Vegas before and he's been, but when he was younger, so he's never been since he's been legal, so he hasn't been able to like drink or gamble or do any of those types of things there, which I mean, that's not solely why we're going, but we just kind of figured I've never been there, he's never been there when we're legal. We kind of didn't want to do a cruise because we always do that, so we wanted to do something different, so we settled on Vegas. We're going on Friday, like I said, and we're going for like, it works out to be 6 days. So first thing on the list is we're gonna do my nails. Right now they're this green color and they're super outgrown. I really needed to get them done like a week ago, but I just put it off because I knew I was going away. So yeah, my appointment is literally right now, so let's go in. It is 3:15 now and I just got home from the nail salon and walking Kobe, so let's take a look. Sorry to show you my feet, but I just went with white. And then on my hands I did bubble bath, which is like a really light pink color. I honestly haven't had it in so long, so it's cute. I'm not sure if I love it, but it's gonna be good enough. Now I need to do a little bit of laundry. So as you can see, I have this full laundry basket. Most of what I'm actually wearing in Vegas is already washed. I just don't want to leave like a full basket of laundry before I go. And literally between now and when we leave in like a day and a half, I'm not gonna have much laundry to do. Plus some of the things that are in here I actually want to bring with me, and I know my husband is gonna need boxers, so I gotta do some laundry. But it is 7:50 now. Alan and I just got back from the mall. We went to just go walk around, see if we could find anything last minute outfits wise for the trip. I didn't find anything. Alan found 2 things from Zara. I know it's not for me, but I'm gonna quickly show you what he got. So this is the fur shirt. It's really cute. It's super lightweight, which will be good obviously in Vegas heat. So just like beige with like white stripes. And then he got this like very fancy like black, cream, orangey, light brown one, which is so cool. At first he was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, and I was like, just try it on, and he did, and it looks really good on him. Honestly, I'm pretty tired. I've done 3 loads of laundry. I'm just waiting for the 3rd load to be done in the dryer. I'm gonna put away what I can, and honestly, I think I'm just gonna relax because I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna get into bed, probably read, and then tomorrow is the fun stuff. I'm getting my lashes done, and then we need to pack. So I will catch you guys then. Happy Thursday. It is 9:33 right now and I am on my way to get my lashes done, which are very much needed. I literally have a few that are just like hanging on for dear life. Usually I get a refill on my lashes every like 2.5 weeks, and now it's been like I think over 3 weeks now, and maybe even a little bit longer to be quite honest with you. So they're really much needed, but I knew I was going to Vegas, so I kind of put it off. I was actually glad that I left a little bit early this morning because there was a little bit of traffic. They literally closed 3 out of the 4 4 lanes. So for like 10 minutes, it was just everybody trying to get over to that one lane. So I'm glad I actually left a little bit early. I made a protein fruit smoothie for on the go this morning. I've already drank half of it. One, because I was on the go, but two, I literally don't have much groceries. I have no more eggs, I have no more bread, so that's usually what I have for breakfast, and I'm not gonna go buy anything because we're leaving tomorrow, so it just doesn't make sense. I'm actually getting hybrid lashes done, so usually I get classics. They're very natural looking, like you can't even tell that I have extensions, but this time I'm getting them just a little bit more dramatic just because it's Vegas and I'm going away. So yeah, that's my little update. I will show you guys my lashes when I'm done. I want to drive safely, so I will catch you after. Lashes are done and they are looking so fire and fine. I love them. I'm also a little bit pissed. As you can see, this pimple has come out of nowhere and I'm like, really? Like, I'm about to go on vacation, like, really? Now it's time to tackle packing. This is what I have so far. Alan and I actually decided we're going with one suitcase this time. We've never done this before, so I'm packing quite light. At least I feel like I am. I don't know. So this is his side. He's already packed literally everything that he needs. Those are his shoes. So we're gonna do like half of this is gonna be my stuff. And then I bought a beige weekender bag dupe from Amazon. I will link it below. I'm gonna use this as my carry-on. So I'm gonna put stuff in there as well. Then I'm gonna use my backpack as my personal item. And then Alan's also gonna bring a personal bag. So I think I'm gonna put like my content stuff in his bag. So we're gonna make it work. In 8 years of being together, we have never gone with one suitcase on vacation. And we're going for 6 days, so I'm a little bit nervous, but let's try. Already in my suitcase, I have my toiletries, I have my makeup, I have my steamer, I have my skincare, and I have my makeup brushes. I'm not going to show you guys that because there's no point. I'm bringing obviously some sunscreen, some bug spray, and then aloe because we're going to Vegas. It's really hot and we're going to be tanning and swimming and in the pool and that kind of stuff, so need that. These are the bags that I'm bringing. So I'm bringing this little white purse. This is from Shein. I love this. She is so cute. I really wanted to get another purse like this but in black, but something a little bit different. And I couldn't really find anything I wanted or like, so instead I'm gonna bring this crossbody Michael Kors one. I'm also gonna bring my Lululemon fanny pack because duh, that's gonna be perfect for walking around during the day. I can have my wallet in there, I can put my phone in there, I can put my little vlogging camera in there. And then the other bag I'm gonna bring is this woven tote bag from Amazon. I will also link this below. This is gonna be perfect for going to the pool parties, whatever it is. Bathing suits. You guys know that I go way overboard when it comes to bathing suits on my vacations, but since this is not really like a tropical vacation, I'm not going overboard, at least not trying to. So I have this orange and black tiger striped one with red bottoms and like a orange cover up thing. I have this 3-piece set that I'm bringing from Shein, so it's a top, a bottom, and then it's like a dress cover up, as well as this 3-piece from Shein, so it's top, bottom, and then a matching bandana, which is really cool. And I'm bringing this bikini from Night Swim. Oh my god, I love this so much. I wore this on my honeymoon. And then I'm bringing like a black skirt cover up and then this like oversized shirt cover up. Honestly, I'm not going to show you what's in here, but this is all my daytime outfits and my pajamas. So like shorts, bodysuits, that type of stuff. Shoes I'm bringing. So I'm actually bringing a lot of shoes, but I'm actually really excited because I want to dress up. So I'm bringing these like pumps, I guess they're called, or like platform heels. These are from DSW. When I wear heels, I'm a literal giant, so I decided to buy new heels that are just like a little bit shorter. I didn't want to wear like flats, so I bought these ones from Shop Cider. They're just white ones, and then I bought these black ones. These ones are a little bit taller. Tried both on, absolutely love them. If they feel comfortable, I know I can walk in them. I'm literally banking on like 20,000, 30,000 steps a day, so I'm bringing these Nikes to keep me comfortable. And then as well, I'm gonna wear my Air Force Ones or my Panda Dunks to the airport. I'm not sure which one, but one of those. Now the best part, I will show you guys my nighttime outfits because that's why we're all here. I'm bringing 2 cardigans just in case. I don't think it's gonna be cold because it's Vegas and it's August, but I'm gonna bring a black one and a white one. I bought this dress from Forever 21 when I went shopping in Buffalo, and it's so cute. I have not got to wear it yet. You guys have seen this dress before. I bought this from White Fox for my honeymoon. It's this beautiful green dress and it has like an open back. It's just so form-fitting on your body. It's just like I'm bringing this two-piece set from Shein, so it's a tube top and then like a midi maxi skirt. Got this two-piece set, it's like a ruffled long sleeve and then a cute little skirt. I got this beautiful royal blue halter dress. It's like a skater dress, I think they're called. It's really cute. Got it from Shein also. Literally my go-to for vacations lately. Again from Shein, another two-piece set. It's like a halter tube top and then wide-legged pants. And then last but not least, I got another two-piece set. That is the motive, as you can tell. And it's like this brown and cream colored zebra print. So it is very short in the front, literally just covers the mosquito bites. And then it's long sleeve with a short skirt. I love this. I should also mention I bought packing cubes my last trip, which was my cruise for my 30th birthday, and I love these. I do not know how I went 30 years without using packing cubes. It is so convenient, and I don't know, it just keeps you organized. I would honestly hate opening my suitcase and all of my shit was just everywhere and I couldn't find anything. But now that I have these packing cubes, I kind of like pack them for categories. So like this packing cube is all of my nighttime clothes. This packing cube is all of my daytime clothes. This packing cube is gonna be all of my bikinis. This packing cube is gonna be all of my shoes. So it just keeps everything organized and it's just so much nicer in the suitcase. Hello everyone, happy Friday. I am leaving for Vegas in literally 5 hours and I'm still at home, so we need to get it together. I don't know if you can hear this guy, but he knows something's going on and he will not stop growling. You're going to grandma's. You're going to vacation at grandma's house. Yes. So we're all packed up, as you can see there. I have my carry-on packed. I just have a few random things just kind of laying here that I'm gonna put in here. It's mainly like our travel documents, my book. I'm gonna put like our chargers, my sunglasses, some hair stuff, my tripod. I'm also just charging my AirPods right now. I almost forgot about these bad boys. Because it's Friday, Alan did go to work. He works until 4, so it kind of just worked out anyways. I don't know if I said this. That's why we packed last night. So for the fact that when he gets home today, we can just leave. So I'm gonna go pack our car. I have all of Kobe's stuff ready. So I'm bringing his crate, his bed, some treats, his brush, and then a couple toys to my mother-in-law so that he can have that while he's there. So I am first gonna go put this in the car. Car is all packed, so we have Kobe's crate, we have the luggage, this is my carry-on, we have Kobe in the back here. He's all strapped in, ready to go. You ready to go to grandma's? Good boy. And then in here I just have like food and my airport like pillow and then my backpack. Got my camera, I got my hoodie. We are now in the car. What time is it? 4:19, so we gotta get going. We have to drive to Brampton, which is like a 40-minute drive. We're gonna take the 407 to get to my mother-in-law's because we're gonna drop Kobe there, like I showed you guys, he's back here, and she's gonna drive us to the airport. So we are rushing, so I am going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this prep and pack with me for Vegas. I'm gonna definitely vlog the whole trip, so look out for those videos as well. Make sure to subscribe to me down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in Vegas.